Gates open, they're up and racing. Bahala na. Aloha moving up at the center. Desperado down on the inside. War Alert running in between runners. Musashi. Then moving up by the rail Paris Melody. Third choice is on the outside, Dugos Paramore. Next in line on a rush, then followed by entry number 8. And that's Bangge. Next in line by the rail, Elgin and Sherman. My Purpy running second last, Keyboy. While my Bukas pa is in behind them as they race towards the 450. Aloha still leading the field. Desperado trying to get closer on the outside. So was War Alert. Bahala na. Dr. Choice, Paris Melody finds some opening down on the inside. And down the stretch they come. Bunch of horses parting it out for the lead. Paris Melody, Dr. Choice moving up on the outside like a house on fire. Desperado now in second, and finally better go down and collect for Dr. Choice. Desperado, Dugos Paramore, Musashi, Paris Melody,